Hey everybody, and welcome to the next entry in our Cross Robotics video blog series. My name is Josh Westmoreland, and I'm a robotics specialist here with Cross Company Robotics and Machine Automation. In past posts, I've talked about things like safety planes, using area scanners to help create a safer work environment, or using features within the Universal Robot like the palletizing wizard to make programming a little simpler for you. But today I want to talk about a different resource, because here at Cross Company, we feel like training is a very critical part of your long-term success. So we offer things like custom on-site training at your facility, to a 2-day core training here at our Belmont facility that's completely free to our customers. But what I really want to focus on today is something that we consider a prerequisite to come into one of our trainings, and that's the UR Academy. The UR Academy is completely free and online at universal-robots.com, and it can really help jumpstart you into what you need for further training. It's a thorough, in-depth breakdown of what you're going to see when you start programming a robot. So once you get registered for the UR Academy and you get signed in, you're going to see that you have 9 different training modules to work your way through. And it's going to start with the first look. And this is what it's like to unbox your robot, to go through the initial startup sequence. It's going to work you through creating a tool center point, how you calculate that information and what you need to know. It's going to work you through the structure of a robot program, how to set up your moves, your weights, your sets, how to connect to grippers, how to connect to sensors, how to connect to external safety devices. But the beauty in the way they set this up is these 9 training modules, each one builds upon the last. So you're simulating a pick-and-place application where you're picking from one conveyor and loading into a box on another. And what this does is gives you a real-world application that we see quite often that you could see at your facility. But it's going to lay the groundwork and a solid foundation for the information you need to move forward. But the beauty of this is that UR didn't set this up as a death by PowerPoint situation. No, it's completely interactive, it's completely immersive. So when you pull up the screen to start working and to start going through this educational process, it's going to be very, very similar to actually having a teach pendant in your hand. They're going to bring up a teach pendant on the screen and you have to click in the right positions. So you're getting as close to real-world programming as you can. As I said earlier, here at Cross, we are strong believers that you should have as much knowledge and information as possible about the products that you have operating at your facility. So with UR Academy, I hope that I've shed a little bit of light and gave you a little bit of an understanding as to what you can expect and the benefits that you can gain from going through this program. You can expect it to take about an hour and a half to work through all 9 modules, but you can work through pieces of them, work through individual modules, save your progress, and come back at a later time. But again, being educated is going to empower you to do more with the technology that you have at your facility. So please, even if you're only considering purchasing a robot at this point, I would strongly recommend go through the UR Academy because it is completely free. You'll get a better understanding of what to expect from a Universal Robot. And then following that, we'd love to see you at one of our quarterly core trainings that we host here in our Belmont facility. Until next time.